Welcome to Programming Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the RFID module. Okay, let's go. This is the module I will use in this video. This module helps us read RF tag or RF tag when I put them near the module, okay? And it operates at 13.56 MHz. It's quite stable and cheap. This is two RF tag and RF tag are included when I buy this module. So with this module, we can communicate with the Arduino via SPI protocol, I2C protocol, or UART protocol. But the library I will use in this video also supports SPI protocol, so I will use SPI protocol in this video. First, I will show you how to connect module RFID to Arduino. Okay, this is the diagram. With the module RFID, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins, but we don't use the IRQ pins. Okay, don't care about that. We just use 7 pins on the module. Okay, first of all, we will connect SDA pins to pin 10. Next is SCK pins to pin 13. Next is MOSI I will connect to pin 11, and MISO I will connect to the pin 12. Okay, and GND with GND 3.3 voltage with 3.3 voltage. Reset will be connected to pin 9. Okay, with this you have to pay attention about this. With the RFID module, you have to connect to the 3.3 voltage to supply to module. Please don't connect to 5 voltage. It can be burn your module. Okay, this is the URL RFID Arduino library. You can move to this to download the RFID. Okay, when you move this site, you have to clone all of this with zip file to your computer. Okay, after you download, you have to move to Sketch, Include Library, and Add.zip library. After click Add.zip library, it will appear Windows, so you need to point to the file you have just already downloaded. Okay, and click OK. Now I will give you an example to open a project after you download the library. Okay, you move to File, Example, and move to RFID here, RFID MFRC522. This is the name of module. Okay, there's many projects you can check right here. Okay, but first I will test the module RFID to know whether it's run stable with the firmware check. Okay, I will upload this code to my Arduino, but first I have to connect my Arduino to the module RFID card. Okay, let's check. Okay, this is my RFID modules. I have already connected some wires. So because I don't have enough colors of wires at the diagram, so I will use the different colors from the line. Okay. And this is two RF cards and RF tag. Okay. Now I will connect like the diagrams. First of all is 3.3 voltage. Please pay attention, don't connect to 5 voltage, okay? .3 voltage. Next is reset pins. I will connect to pin 9. Okay, next is ground. I will connect to GND. Next is MISO. The MISO is connected to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next is MOSI. MOSI will be connected to 11. 11 here. And next is SCK. SCK will connect to pin 13. And the last one will connect to 10. That's a SDA. Okay, done. So I will connect my Arduino to the laptop and upload the code, upload the check firmware here, firmware check. Okay. Now we check part and upload. Okay, we open the serial monitor to see what's happened with my module. Okay, you can see our MFRC 522 digital self-test firmware version is 092 2.0 and performing test is okay. Okay, my modules is operate okay. Okay, now I will use the other project to read the RFID card. You also move to File, Sample, and move to here. RFID default keys. Okay. Okay, you can use this and okay. Now let's upload in code and open the serial monitor. Okay, now I will try to scan the RFID tag, RFID card. Okay, let's see. Okay, the card UID, that is the card serial number, that is 67 EB, E1 and 34. Pick type, this is the type of card. Success key, this is the key of success. And this is block 0. It means that when you scan the RFID card, the Arduino will receive a block 0 like this with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You will receive 16 bytes and pay attention about this, okay? The just first 5 bytes or 4 bytes is different from the other card, and the other here the rest of bytes are as the same because this is include parity check, information about module or something. Okay, now we'll test with the tag, or you see the difference with the first 5 bytes. Okay. Okay, you can see it's different from each other. So you can use first 5 bytes or first 4 bytes to use to make your RFCAG number, but in this they use 4 bytes. Okay, for first 4 bytes to use the serial number. Okay, let's check again. Okay, now I have an application is check card to open a LED. Okay, I will use pin 7 to control LED, and I will turn it on when my white RF card is scanned, and I will turn it off if there are any the others RF card or RF tag is scanned. Okay. Okay, here this is a white RF card 67 EB, E1 and 34. I will copy it. Copy by Control and C. Okay, next I will use this link to convert hex to decimal because what I see in serial monitor is hexadecimal. Okay, I will paste to this hex and okay, sorry, 0x 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 0x. This is a decimal value correspond with your RF card. Okay, you can use this to check your RF card by combine one by one to a string. Okay, I will open the RFID default keys to read keys and check it if in my white RFID card. Okay, now I will create a string my decimal RFID card. Okay, and I don't put anything in this string. Okay, And in this, I will combine one by one character I read from the RFID cards. Okay, by plus the is buffer I. Okay, then we move to main to check it. Main here. Okay, main here. I will check if my decimal RFID card is the string I combine. The string I combine is decimal. Okay, I will open here and copy on this, pass to here. But remember that between of them don't have any space, so I will delete it. And you have to pay attention here. With the 2 digits number, you don't have 0 before it, so I will delete the 0 and delete the space. Okay, this is the decimal serial number of white card. Okay, as the decimal. Okay, if my string as the RFID, I will turn on the LED 7. High. If not, I will turn it up 7 low. And after all, I have to update the my decimal RFID card again. By this, I will turn it here. Is nothing, because if I put it here and in this function it will call my decimal RFID card again, so I cannot put it here. I will put the my RFID card right here to update it. Okay, and I have to set the pin 7 to output first instead of function right here. Pin mod 7 is output. Okay, now let's check my circuit. Okay, this is my circuit. I will connect the LED to pin 7. Okay, I will connect to test bar, and then from test bar we connect to pin 7. Pin 7 is anode and pin G to cathode. Okay, now I will connect to my laptop, and now I will upload my code. Okay, let's check. Upload. Okay, upload again. We will open the serial monitor. Oh. Okay, now we try to scan this white RF card. Okay, it's on, right? The LED is on, and now I will test with the RF tag. It's off. Off, off, off. Now I will turn it on and off.